In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a colored PDF to grayscale or black and white using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to save on printing costs or just need a simplified version of a document. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an important first step because you need to have your document ready and accessible within the software. Once your PDF is open, look at the top menu for a tool option labeled Tools. When you click on it, you'll notice a variety of functions listed there. What you're looking for is Print Production. Now, sometimes Print Production isn't visible immediately in your Tools pane. If that happens, don't worry. You just need to add it manually. Go to the Tools pane and look for the option allowing you to add more tools to your workspace. This is a helpful feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro, ensuring you can customize your tools for easy access. Once Print Production is selected or added, click to open it. Once you're in the Print Production section, your next step is to click on Pre-Flight. This might sound a bit like an aviation term, but in this context, it's simply a command that lets you set up and verify various aspects of your PDF. In the Pre-Flight dialog box that opens, you'll see several categories and options. Navigate to a section labeled something like PDF Fix-Ups. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the version of Adobe Acrobat Pro you're using, so don't worry if it's not an exact match. Within the PDF Fix-Ups or a similar category, you'll find a fix-up option called Convert to Grayscale. Again, some versions might refer to it as Convert to Gray Gamma. Either will work for our purposes. What this does is precisely what it sounds like. It converts your colorful PDF into shades of gray, which is ideal for black and white printing. After you've selected the grayscale conversion option, go ahead and click on the button that says Analyze and Fix, or it might simply read Execute. This action will initiate the conversion process. The software will quickly process your document, transforming it into a grayscale version. Finally, when the conversion has been completed, remember to save your newly converted PDF under a different name. This is crucial because it ensures you preserve the original color version. It's always a good idea to have both versions on hand, just in case you need to revert or refer back to the original. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a colored PDF into grayscale or black and white using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process is straightforward, and with these steps, you'll be able to do it in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.